Hello and welcome to 8.4 Dimensional Analysis and Conversions to and from the Metric System. Okay, so let's get started with some problem sets. Problem set 1, complete the following conversions. Okay, the important thing to remember for this is inches to feet. So we're given inches, and if we were able to convert by a fraction where feet was on top over inches, you could see where these would cross out, leaving you with just feet, just like a fraction. So we're given 49 inches. Okay, so if we multiply this by our fraction, we just want to keep it times 1 feet. And how many feet are in an inch? Or how many inches are in a feet? There are 12. So you're going to be left with, these dimensions will cancel out, leaving you with 49 feet divided by 12. So if you simplify this fraction, 49 divided by 12, you get 4.08 feet. Looking at number 2, convert these ounces to pounds. So for ounces, 28.5 ounces, you want a fraction where you have ounces on the bottom and pounds on top. And how many ounces are in a pound? There are 16 for 1 pound. So those dimensions will cross out, leaving you with the dimension of 28.5 times the 1, or just 28.5, divided by 16 pounds. And if you reduce this fraction, you're going to get 1.78125 pounds. Okay, thinking about money, we're exchanging pesos to dollars. So we're going to go from 90,000 pesos, and we want to go to dollars. So for this dimensional analysis, we want the conversion to be 12.85 pesos. What will happen here is that the pesos will cancel out, leaving you with just dollars. So that's 90,000 times 1, or just 90,000, divided by 12.85. And when you simplify that fraction, you get $7,003.89. Converting miles per hour to feet per second, we take 90 miles per second, or excuse me, it's 90 miles per hour. And we're going to feet per second for miles per hour. So we're going to have to go through several conversions. So we want to get rid of these miles by turning them to feet. So to get rid of the miles, put that on the bottom and have feet on top. And how many feet are in 1 mile? There are 5,280 feet. Okay, now that's going to take care of the feet and miles. Now we need to take care of the seconds and hours. So to get rid of the hours, let's put it on top with seconds on bottom. And how many seconds are in 1 hour? There are 3,600. And whenever we successfully multiply across, the miles will cancel out, the hours will cancel out. You're going to be left with the dimensions of feet per second. So that's going to be 90 times 5,280 times 1 divided by 1 times 3,600. And when you multiply across, you should get 132 feet per second. See how we're doing with time? We're still doing alright. So now let's move into problem set 2. Complete the following conversions. So you have a recipe that's calling for cups of chicken broth. How many liters does this amount equal? So you need to remember that 1 cup contains 0.24 liters, or that 0.24 liters contain 1 cup. Alright, to go from 4.5 cups, you want to multiply where the cups would be on the bottom to cancel out, leaving with your liters on top. So which matches this display? The second one does. The cups are going to cancel out. It's going to leave you with 4.5 times 0.24. The ones don't really matter in this case. When you simplify this, you should get 1.08 liters. Okay, an area of 56.25 hectares is for sale. Find the area in acres. So 1 acre equals 0.4 hectares. So to convert 56.25 hectaacres, you want to multiply where hectaacres would be on bottom and acres would be on top. And how many hectaacres in 1 acre? 0.4. So we multiply across, we have 56.25, knowing that these cancel out, times 1 on top, divided by 0.4, leaving with the dimensions of acres. And you simplify that, you should get 140.625 acres. And for our last example, we have this patient, and he's going to take this drug, and we have to first find the right amount to give him. So the patient weighs 250 pounds, and we want to give the medicine knowing it's in kilograms. So we're going to have to use a measurement like this. For 1 pound, there are 0.45 kilograms, almost half a kilogram. So what that's going to reduce to is 250 times 0.45 kilograms, and that amounts to 112.5 kilograms. So the amount of the drug will be the kilograms we just found times the dosage we were given in the problem, which is 30 milligrams and we want to give them in kilograms. So on the bottom to have these two cancel out. So that's going to be 112.5 times 30. We're going to have milligrams. And that's going to leave us with 3,375 milligrams, or if we're giving it to them in grams, 3.375 grams.